friends, Kodeshwar here. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing this Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. Why I bought this product? Because many of my friends said the audio quality is not good in my videos. So I have searched for a budget microphone online. Then I found this product on Amazon for 700 rupees with a great reviews. So let's do the unboxing and see some audio samples with this microphone. This is the microphone which comes with this box. They have given here Boya logo with the microphone image, and also they have given the model number BY-M1, and they also given the compatible devices with the microphone. Like we can connect this microphone for smartphone devices, tablets, PCs, cameras and camcorders as well for the video recording and audio recording as well. And here they have given the QR code for the product verification. So we need to scan this QR code, so then it will redirect to the Boya website. So there you can check whether the product is original or fake. So backside they have given some features and specifications, like microphone is omnidirectional, high quality condenser for videos, low handling noise, and they have given some accessories as well: lapel clip, LR44 battery, 4-wind screen, 1:4 inch adapter, and the cable length for this microphone is 6 meters. The weight of this microphone is 2.5 grams. So that's it guys, nothing on the box. Without wasting time, let's do the unboxing. Let's open this box. Inside the box they have given some warranty card and user manual instructions. Let's keep this aside and we'll see this microphone. Here is the main microphone, and we'll see what. Yes, we got a collar clip, and we also got a 1:8 jack, and we also got a foam windscreen for the noise reduction, and we also got a battery, LR44 battery. We need to insert in this adapter. I'll show you. And we also got nice carry pouch for this microphone. This is the adapter. They have given some modes as well. Like if you are shooting with the smartphone, then you need to change to smartphone, or else if you are shooting with camera, then you need to change to camera mode. So now I am shooting with smartphone. I'll keep it as it is. So cable organizer here, which is good, and the cable length is pretty lengthy cable they have given. So here I'll connect this foam for this microphone. We need to just insert in this way. Yes, and we'll insert this clip as well. We need to insert this clip here on this neck of this microphone. In this way we need to insert, and we need to insert this battery in this adapter as well. So we have to open it first. Yeah, here we need to insert in this way. Yeah, I have inserted. Now we need to close this adapter. These are the accessories we'll get inside the box. We'll see the audio samples with this microphone. The video now which I am recording is with Boya lavalier microphone. I think you guys can see the audio difference from previous video and now. I can definitely say the background noise and the echo noise is completely reduced. For 700 rupees budget range, this microphone is really doing good, and I would definitely recommend this who are looking for a best budget range microphone for their YouTube videos. You can really record a great videos with this microphone. I'll provide the link of this microphone in the description so that you can purchase this on Amazon. And so what do you guys think about this product? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's it guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive latest video update notifications. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.